Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a massive headache that pretty much every entrepreneur and agency owner wrestles with at some point: operational chaos. We're going to explore a really fascinating framework from our source material that proposes a huge shift. We're talking about ditching that tangled web of expensive apps and replacing it entirely with complete business automation using just a single AI software platform. So let's look at how this model actually aims to transform your day-to-day operations.
Okay, let's dive right into this by addressing the elephant in the room. Are too many tools actually slowing your growth? You know how it goes. You start with one tool, maybe just for your emails. Then you add another for the website, another for invoicing, and before you know it, you are managing this massive, complex, and seriously expensive stack of software. It's incredibly frustrating, isn't it? You set out to build a business, but instead you've accidentally given yourself a full-time job as an IT manager, just trying to make all these different platforms talk to each other.
And honestly, this tool tyranny is exactly where the pain really compounds. I mean, you are likely paying separate monthly subscriptions for a CRM, a WhatsApp and email marketing platform, website and funnel builders, appointment scheduling apps, content creation tools, and invoice systems. Throw in social media management and it is utterly exhausting. Plus, it's a massive financial drain. Every single month, your expenses just keep ticking upward, while your actual business operations only become more complex and fragmented. It's literally the exact opposite of efficiency.
Now, the source material highlights the devastating real-world consequence of all this chaos. On one hand, you have the overworked owner, spending hours upon hours on manual follow-ups, coordinating the team, scheduling appointments, and managing leads. And the direct result of that? The lost customer. Because you're so bogged down in manual tasks, responses get delayed, inquiries are missed entirely, and conversions just plummet. Leads might be coming in, but they aren't followed up on time, and customers certainly aren't getting instant responses. The hard truth here is that potential customers are lost every single day simply because your manual processes just can't keep up. Let's be real, your business should work for you, not the other way around.
So, the source material proposes a total paradigm shift, and it all boils down to just one simple number: 1. I want you to imagine exactly one intelligent system, one unified dashboard handling absolutely everything. No more jumping between 10 different browser tabs or frantically trying to remember forgotten passwords for some software you only use once a month. Just one beautifully unified ecosystem.
And that brings us to the core solution proposed by the source material: a unified AI-powered platform designed to capture more leads, automate your customer communication, build professional websites, and manage your sales efficiently. This is really about taking all those fragmented pieces we just talked about and bringing them completely under one roof. The real magic of this consolidated AI solution is that your data isn't siloed anymore. Your marketing is talking directly to your sales and booking systems automatically. Because the whole shebang shares the same brain, it shifts your focus entirely. Instead of grinding away at repetitive administrative tasks, you are finally freed up to focus on what actually matters: scaling your business faster.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how the framework organizes all these potentially overwhelming features into one clean ecosystem with 3 core pillars. First up is business management. That houses your CRM, your sales funnel builder, and your appointment booking system. Next, we have AI automation, stepping right into the future with AI chatbots, smart calling systems, and even an AI content creator. And finally, marketing and growth, which handles your WhatsApp and email automation, an AI website builder, and instant invoice creation. Everything you need is logically organized and seamlessly accessible from a single login. Pretty amazing, right?
Translating all of this cutting-edge tech into real-world benefits reveals exactly why businesses are jumping on this model. According to the data, the impact is immediate. You stop paying for multiple subscriptions, which instantly saves you money. You automate repetitive tasks, instantly saving you time. By capturing, nurturing, and converting those leads automatically, you never miss an opportunity, which directly increases your sales. And by delivering instant professional support through automation, you massively improve the customer experience. Ultimately, the source claims this allows you to grow and scale faster without adding any of that operational complexity.
At this point, you might be wondering, okay, but is this complete automation approach right for my specific industry? Well, according to the analysis, the answer is a resounding yes. This framework is proving highly effective for coaches and trainers, consultants, real estate professionals, clinics, marketing agencies, and startups. Thousands of service providers and small to medium businesses are making this exact move right now. Why? Because relying on those old manual processes is simply no longer sustainable in today's fast-paced environment.
If you want to compete, you absolutely need the leverage that automation provides.
So, for businesses wondering how to actually make this transition, the source material outlines a really clear, risk-free strategy. Deependra Meradev and his team propose a simple 3-step implementation process in their framework. Step 1 is just a demonstration phase, simply booking a free presentation to understand the tools. Step 2 involves getting a live, complete overview of the platform so you can actually see it in action. And Step 3? That's receiving a personalized business automation strategy and growth consultation tailored specifically to your unique needs. It's presented as a guided, step-by-step path from operational chaos directly to complete clarity.
To wrap up our analysis today, this quote from the source material really stands out to me. One platform, one dashboard, unlimited business growth. It perfectly summarizes the core strategy here. By letting intelligence and automation handle the heavy lifting, the ceiling on your potential is totally removed. So I'll leave you with this final, provocative thought. If an AI platform successfully managed all of your repetitive daily tasks and fully automated your operations, what could you actually achieve with your time back?